Going on, everybody? It's a great day to make some money. It's a great day to be a boss. Today I'm going to teach y'all how to install a Nayax Card Reader to your vending machine. First thing you want to do is unplug the vending machine. Where the card reader is going to go, using the faceplate that Nayax provides you. I'm gonna go ahead and tape it onto the machine so I can go ahead and get the drilling.
Hey, it's C-Money 111, man, back with another Generational Bosses video. If y'all missed the last video on how to set the prices on your vending machine products, you sleeping, bro. Get up, go watch the video, like, subscribe, and comment on what new content you want to see next. Quick ways to get rich.
Next thing you want to do is add a wall hole drill bit to your drill. This is to run your boards right through here, through the middle hole, the big middle hole. Take your Nayax card reader, set it to the machine. Alright, y'all, so I got the face of the card reader here to the machine. Plugged in my 2 cords to the back of it. Now we got to plug in your DEX cord. DEX cord will go up here on the motherboard. It's like a little earphone jack type of, headphone jack type of wire. Alright, so secondly, you'll want to find your MDB cable, which is the 6-pin, and you want to take out the one that goes to your card reader. Your motherboard. So one of these will be going to the coin Mac, looks like this one. The other will be going to your motherboard, that'll be this one. So I'm gonna go ahead and unplug this one.
Almost done. Get ready to make some money.
Alright. Take the cord from the card reader, and you see it comes with a main one and a secondary one. You want to take your main one and put it into the MDB cord that runs to your motherboard. Make sure it's on there nice and tight. You want to take off the one that goes to the coin, your coin Mac. That one's going to be going to this secondary piece here. Receiver here should always be somewhere nice and high, so I'm gonna put her up here. Alright guys, we just got it all nice and plugged up, ready to make some money. Now Nayax is gonna go ahead and run us through like a quick startup presentation screen, and after all the setup, it'll go ahead and start asking for your card or your Apple phone tap. You can pay with phone, card, all that. So it's very resourceful and useful card reader. And now you have it. You can Apple Pay with your phone. You can tap. You can pay card. We just successfully added the Nayax card reader. All I got to do now is get my bolts plugged in here so it can fit nice and flat. Just wanted to make sure it worked first.
Please select the product. Authorizing.
It's a great way to make some money, y'all.